The find option is very useful in Bridge. You can find it under the edit menu, and the keyboard shortcut is Command or Control F. And once you are in the dialog box, you can see the first option is where to look for the file. You can choose the whole computer, or you can just choose a specific folder. And if you have subfolders, you can also make sure they are included in the search. And you can even look for non-index files. And this is where you can specify the criteria. So you can choose if any criteria are met or if all criteria are met. So this one is a little bit more strict search in case you use more criteria. And the first one will be a more broader result. So you can choose from the criteria here on the left, and then you can choose from different options for the contain, starts with, ends with, and then you can add the value here. And with the plus sign, you can add more criteria. So for example, we can look for something that is first of all a file type. So we choose document type equals, and then we can look for a JPEG file. So we selected that. And then our next option can be, for example, the color mode, which can equal RGB. So I'm going to choose these, and I'm going to also choose if all criteria are met. And then I click on find, and then I will get the results here. So all of these images will be JPEG and in RGB color mode. Let's do another search. Again, I go back to edit, find. What if I'm looking for images shot with a specific camera, where I can do that as well? All I need to do is to select from the options here the model, and then I can just type in Nikon. In my case, I click on find, and then these images are all shot with Nikon cameras. Again, another search. If I go to edit, find. What if I'm looking for a specific resolution? Well, in that case, because I don't have an option here for resolution, I can choose all metadata, and then that can contain, let's say, 300. And if I click on find, then these images will probably have all 300 ppi resolution. So if you choose all metadata for criteria, that means it will look for everything inside the metadata information of these files. A fast way also to start a new search is to click on this icon. And also you can save a search result or the criteria that you created for a find option as a smart collection by clicking on this icon here. But I'm going to talk about that more in another video.